My name is Mark Martin. I'm the IT and Supply Chain Manager for Titan. Titan's an engineering company. We specialise in the design, manufacture and assembly of precision machined components for predominantly the motorsport and automotive industries. We take the designs from our own designers or from our customers' 3D models, and we convert those through production engineering into CNC programs, which we then send out through DNC Link to the CNC machines. Over the years, as we've grown, we've added CNC machinery of varying ages and complexity and connectivity. And at that point, maybe 12 years ago, we realised that we needed a better way of connecting to those machines, which is where we found Cambridge Numerical Control. So we first came across Cambridge Numerical Control about 12, 13 years ago when we started to scale up on our CNC machines. Initially all the machines were connected through RS-232, and the Cimco software coped with that no problem at all, and it solved a problem that we'd had with intermittent connectivity prior to that point. As the years have gone on and we've invested in new CNC machinery, obviously the method of connectivity has changed to Ethernet, and Cimco scales with that no problems at all. More importantly for us is the support that we get for the control system on the machine. Quite often when we buy a new machine, we don't understand the control system. It's something we have to learn, whereas we give a call to CNC, they'll turn up, they know exactly how to connect to it, they know exactly how to make it work, and all of the additional complexities of net servers, FTP servers, file servers, different types of protocol, they just take it in their stride. The next stage for us was to trial MDC Max, because data is the next big challenge. We need to understand what our machines are doing, when they're not working, why they're not working if possible. And there's an awful lot more data that's available from the more modern machine tools. So we've had a trial of MDC, which we've been running for a couple of months now, on 2 machines, and the data at the moment is proving very useful. We're looking to roll that out across the rest of the CNC machines and then utilise the NC base as well, which is where the data is stored, and move our production engineering program control within NC base as well. Cambridge Numerical Control have been our partners for the last 12 to 13 years. There's no reason at all to change them. The service is fantastic. The knowledge is really where we're poor, so I know that I can call them up if there's ever a problem with a machine, if there's a connectivity issue, even if there's something we just don't understand with the control system. They're a phone call away, or they'll pop in their car and come down and see us.